Alright, so in this lesson we will solve for unknown lengths involving two intersecting chords. So two intersecting chords. Ooh, I don't know why I don't like that so much. Let's try again. Okay. So we start off with this circle right here, right? And it has a chord AD and chord BC. Chord AD intersects with chord BC. We see that as a chord because, it's a line segment from one end of the circle to, another end of the circle, to across the circle. So this is pretty easy right here. You see this BP right here. This BP. If I could do that a little bit more clear. BP. And you see this PC. And let's do this one. And this is PD. Or segment PD. I don't know why I can't draw that P right. That I was about to say that's good enough. I don't think it was good enough. All right, PD. And I think that gets in the way a little bit. And PA or AP. We know, well, the relationship here, I'll say it to make it easier for y'all, is that we can write it in two ways, I guess, right? Is that BP, let's make that blue, is that BP times PC is equivalent to AP times PD. Or vice versa. AP times PD equals BP times PC, right? So I guess we could write that. AP times PD is equivalent to BP times PC. Cool. So today's lesson should be way difficult. So right here, I'm going to highlight, well, I guess I'll do this. And I used yellow on this one. So basically, if we multiply the two sections of this chord, we should get the same thing as if you multiply, or when you multiply the two sections of this chord. So I'm going to write x times 4, and that should be equivalent to 5 times 8. So I get 4x equals 40. Now I divide by 4, and I get x equals 10. And that wasn't too bad. That was actually pretty easy, right? So let's look at this. Oh, yeah, let's look at example number 2. It says, what is the value of GV? So we want to know GV right here. So first thing I'll do is label these 8 and x minus 5. Form that chord. And 10 and x minus 6 form this chord. So I'm going to do 8 times, I'll put it up here, 8 times x minus 5, and that should be equivalent to 10 times x minus 6. You can also put it the other way around, x minus 6 times 10. So we get 8x minus 40 equals 10x. Oops. minus 60. And then I just solve for x, so plus 60. I'm going to write this in a different color, actually. Plus 60. And I get 8. Ooh, I can't write. 8x plus 20. Oh, you know what I did? I mean, I could do that, but I don't know why did I. Sorry about that. Let's take away the x's. So we have x's on one side. I know. You're going to have to erase. My bad. So negative 2x minus 40 equals negative 60. Cool. Now I can definitely... I mean, I could have solved it the other way, like found x, but I prefer this way. If you want to do it the other way, that's fine too. Go end it with the same x's, you know. So we get negative 2x equals negative 20 divided by negative 2. Oh, look at that. What a coincidence. X equals 10 again. That's not always going to be 10. I just happened to be 10 in this one. All right, we got one more example. So, actually, we're not done with that one. It says, what is the value of GV? So, GV equals x minus 6. So, I get 10 minus 6. I get 10 minus 6. So that equals 4. So GV, can't drum with G's. GV equals 4. Units. I can do this. Okay, cool. Now let's go to the next page.